Experience the future of driving with the 2024 BAIC U5 Plus, where sleek design meets cutting-edge technology to redefine your journey. From its advanced autonomous features to its luxurious interior, the U5 Plus is crafted to elevate every moment on the road. Are you ready to embrace the next generation of automotive excellence? In the bustling world of compact SUVs, the 2024 BAIC U5 Plus emerges as a compelling contender, offering a blend of style, practicality, and affordability that's sure to turn heads. With a starting price of around $11,800, this SUV packs a surprising punch, rivaling more expensive options in terms of features and performance. The U5 Plus boasts a sleek and modern exterior design that exudes sophistication. Its sharp lines, bold grille, and LED headlights create a sporty and dynamic look that will make you stand out from the crowd. Inside, the cabin is equally impressive, offering ample space for passengers and cargo. The well-appointed interior features comfortable seats, a user-friendly infotainment system, and a host of convenient amenities. Under the hood, the U5 Plus offers a choice of two powertrains, a 1.5L naturally aspirated engine that produces 111 horsepower and a 1.5L turbocharged engine that delivers a sprightly 150 horsepower. Both engines are paired with a smooth and efficient CVT transmission, ensuring a comfortable and enjoyable driving experience. With its fuel-efficient powertrains, the U5 Plus is ideal for city driving and weekend getaways. When it comes to rivals, the U5 Plus faces stiff competition from established players in the compact SUV segment. However, it holds its own with its competitive pricing, stylish design, and well-equipped interior. If you're looking for a stylish, practical, and affordable SUV that won't break the bank, the 2024 BAIC U5 Plus is definitely worth considering.